Hey guys, all the products you see in this video can be found in the description down below. Hey guys, today we have this drone. I'll tell you my favorite thing about it in just a second, but first some things you need to know. First of all, who's this drone for? Okay, so let's get to the specs. The specs are 1080p, so it has a high definition camera, but some things you need to know about this is while the camera is 1080p, there's no gimbal, so you don't expect to get like crazy, like professional, smooth drone shots or video off of this. I would say that the video is more so you can see what the drone is seeing, as well as the photos. The photos are okay, and it is fun to get up there and shoot photo and video. But who this drone is for people who love to fly drones and are that are just beginners. Okay, this thing is really fun to fly, and it's been great practice. I shoot a lot of more professional drones than this, and this flies just like them, whether it's turning left and right, hovering, going back and forth, forward, backwards, up or down. It's great practice to get used to all those controls so that when you go to your more expensive drone, you're not going to crash it. But just as a standalone drone, guys, it is really fun to fly. This thing's fast. It has some flip maneuvers that you can do, and it's just a really fun drone. As far as the controller goes, guys, you just put your phone right there, you hook it up to the Wi-Fi. You can actually control the drone from your phone. I like to use the controller instead and just look at the phone as a display. It is really cool that you can see what your drone is seeing straight from the phone screen, and all the extra controls that you get. There's a whole bunch of stuff that this drone can do on the phone, which just gives it added fun as well. Anyways, guys, that has to be my favorite thing about this drone, just the fact that the price that you get this for, how fun it is to fly. It is really fun to fly. You know, it just zips around really quickly and it's great practice. So whether you're just getting this as a fun drone to fly around for maybe your teenager, or you're just a beginner drone enthusiast that's trying to get into drones and doesn't want to go crash your expensive drone yet, this thing is great practice, and it's also fun as a standalone drone. So yeah, guys, I highly recommend this product. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. I appreciate it a ton. Have a good day, guys.